In this video, we will talk about map charts. So map charts are the best way to show graphical data. So if you have a data which have city names, state names, countries, postal codes or coordinates, you can create a map chart from this data. To create a geo chart, you have to select the data and then you can create a chart just like we can create a normal column chart or a bar chart. So this is the representation of this table. So we have countries, USA, India, Brazil, France, Germany, etc. And then we have number of COVID cases with respect to each country. And as you can see, this is the visual representation or the map chart with respect to this table. And as you can see, it goes from low to high, and in low it is light green color and in high it is dark green color. And as you can see, in America the cases are high. So to create this chart, let's first delete this chart. I will delete it. Now let's select this data. So I will use Ctrl A to select this table. Go to Insert, Chart. Now let's choose a map chart. So here is the map. Now as you can see, it is showing me different colors. I can change them as well. So as you can see, it is in low, it is red, and in high, it is green. And if it is in middle, it is the light orange type of color. So if you want to edit this chart, go to Customize. Then you have this Geo. And then you can even change this from world to different continents. Let's say Africa. Then I have the cases in Africa. Now let's say Asia. And it is Asia. It is India. And it is Turkey. Now if I choose North America, it is North America. And I can change as well. But I will select world as I want to represent all these countries. So in minimum, it is showing me the dark orange color. For minimum, I will choose light green or let's say light blue. So let's select light blue. And in the maximum, let's use the dark blue color. And in the mid, I will select a middle color. So let's choose the middle blue color. So it shows the range from light blue to dark blue. And as you can see, these are the cases in Russia, India, USA. And this is the visual representation of a geo chart or a map chart. We have other option as well for geo chart. I also have geo chart with bubbles. So these are the bubbles. The smaller bubbles represents the less number of cases. The large bubbles represent the high number of cases. So this is a large bubble. This is much larger, and the color also represent the high cases. So this is how you can add a bubble layer. You can even customize it. So you can change the color from high to low just like you want. So let's choose the normal geo chart or the map chart. So this is how you can create a map chart out of your data which presents a column of geo data, that is city names, state names or country names. Now we will move to the next topic.